Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is April 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into the first quarter earnings report of USANA Health Sciences. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, USANA has just released their Q1 2025 results. Can you give us a brief overview of the company and what this report entails?
Thank you. USANA Health Sciences is a global leader in nutritional supplements and personal care products, operating through direct sales and a direct-to-consumer model with their recent acquisition, Hiya. The Q1 2025 report highlights a 10% increase in net sales year over year, reaching $250 million, and a reiteration of their full-year outlook.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. USANA reported net sales of $250 million for Q1 2025, a 10% increase from the previous year. However, net earnings have decreased significantly. John, what are the key factors here?
Indeed, while net sales have grown, net earnings fell to $9.4 million from $16.5 million last year. This decline is primarily due to increased operating expenses, particularly in selling, general, and administrative costs. Despite this, the adjusted EPS of 73 beat the forecast of 2 cents, which is a positive takeaway.
That's interesting. How does this performance align with market expectations?
With the adjusted EPS surpassing the forecast, it indicates that USANA is managing its cost structure effectively despite the challenges, which is a positive sign for investors.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. USANA's operational performance seems to be a mixed bag. Can you elaborate on their operational efficiencies and future outlook?
Sure, the adjusted EBITDA came in at $30 million, slightly down from last year. However, USANA's active customer base remains robust at 459,000, and Hiya's active monthly subscribers have reached 224,000. The company has reiterated its full-year outlook, which suggests confidence in their strategic initiatives and market positioning.
What does this mean for their growth strategy, especially with Hiya?
Hiya is a key growth driver, showing strong sales and subscriber growth. USANA plans to launch new products and expand into additional channels, which should bolster their growth trajectory and reach new customer demographics.
Regional performance and strategic initiatives. Let's talk about regional performance. How did USANA fare across different markets?
The Asia-Pacific region remains a significant contributor with $174 million in sales, although it saw a slight decline. The Americas and Europe reported $39 million in sales, reflecting a challenging environment. Hiya, on the other hand, contributed $37 million, showcasing its potential as a growth engine.
And what about their strategic initiatives?
USANA is focusing on strategic partnerships and product launches, particularly through Hiya. These initiatives are expected to drive growth and enhance their market presence, especially in new demographics.
Balance sheet and shareholder returns. Turning to the balance sheet, how is USANA managing its financial health and shareholder returns?
USANA generated $15 million in operating cash flow and holds $180 million in cash and equivalents, with a manageable debt of $23 million. They repurchased 399,000 shares for $12 million, indicating a commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Does this financial position support their growth plans?
Yes, their strong cash position and prudent debt management provide a solid foundation to support ongoing investments in growth initiatives and shareholder returns.
Key takeaways. In summary, USANA's Q1 2025 results show a company navigating challenges while capitalizing on growth opportunities. With net sales of $250 million and an adjusted EPS of 73 cents, they have exceeded expectations. Hiya's strong performance and the reiterated full-year outlook are promising. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. USANA's strategic focus and operational resilience make it an interesting prospect for investors, especially with Hiya's growth potential.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on USANA's performance in the comments below.